Okay, class 7. Now let's come to first E exercise of integers. At Srinagar, the temperature was -4 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 5 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Okay, let's start with Monday. Temperature on Monday, how much it was? -4 degrees Celsius. And then it dropped. Dropped means reduced by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. Now temperature on Tuesday, it was -4. Already it was -4 on Monday, but drop down means -2. दो कम और हो गया, तो how much it is? -6 now. Clear? 4 तो था, 2 और नीचे आ गया. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? So on Tuesday, what was the temperature? -6. This is the answer. Now on Wednesday, it rose by 5. Rose means increased. So temperature on Wednesday, how much? This was the initial temperature on Tuesday. Now it rose. Rose means increase plus. How much? 5. So for reduce, minus, and for increase or rose, plus. Plus minus minus, that means 1 degree Celsius, sign of bigger, -1. So still it is -1 degree Celsius. Clear? Now next one. A plane is flying at a height of 6,300 meter above sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1400 meter below sea level. Find the vertical distance between them. This is also simple. Just try to understand using diagram. Suppose this is sea level. Ye land. Below this sea, above this land. Clear? Plane is flying at 6,300 meter here. Suppose plane is here. So what's the height? 6,300 meter. Plane यहाँ पर है. Clear? And एक submarine. Submarine you already know. Floating ship or floating vessel which floats below the sea. Clear? Which floats under the sea. Or below the inside the sea you can say. Sorry. Floating vessel which floats inside the sea. Now submarine is 1400 meter below sea level. समुद्र के लेवल से 1400 मीटर नीचे. तो it came here 1400 meter below sea level. इससे नीचे 1400. इससे ऊपर plane 1600. So what is the distance between them? This plus this. Simple सा logic. I hope you all can do that. Just you need to add. Clear? So you can have directly vertical distance. These two lines you write by yourself. Height of the plane 6,300 meters, then depth of the submarine 1400, then followed with the third line, vertical distance between is equals to 6,300 plus 1400 meters. Just you need to add. Clear? 7,700 meters. Clear? Now let's come to next one. On a certain day at certain time in Siberia, the temperature was -28, and on the same day, the same time, the temperature in Brazil was 28. What was the difference between them? Again, they are asking you difference. Whenever they are asking you difference, you need to subtract. See, temperature in Siberia, how much it is? -28. Temperature in Brazil, how much? Plus का 28. Now they are asking you difference. Difference means subtract. Clear? या तो you subtract this from this or this from this. Clear? So 28 degrees Celsius minus this one. So you will get to know the difference. Minus plus 56. So 56 is the difference between them. Or try to understand. This is 0. ब्राजील का 28 ऊपर है, साइबेरिया में 28 नीचे है माइनस का, तो उनके बीच में अंतर कितना हुआ? 28 plus 28, total 56. I hope you all got that. Now let's come to next one. A shopkeeper gains ₹2 on each pen and loses 50 on each pencil. He sells 60 pen and 100 pencil. How much did he gain or lose? Okay. Gain on one pen. On one pen, how much he is gaining? Gaining means plus ₹2. Now gain on 60 pen. How much pen he has sold? 60. So how much it will be? Rupees 2 into 60. That means he got rupees 120. Clear? 120 rupees he has saved. Now he is losing 50 paisa on each pencil and total 100 pencil he has. So loss on pencil. How much? Minus rupees 0.5. I have changed into rupees, so I have put point here. So this is half rupee. Clear? Or 50 paisa. Now loss on 100 pencils. So you need to multiply this with 100. Remove point, 0 gone. So minus 50 rupees he has lost. This negative side sold, lost. Now how much did he gain or loss? In total how much did he gain? See, 120 का profit हुआ, 50 का loss हुआ. So it's still 70 rupees profit ना. So profit is equals to profit of pencil minus loss on pencil. Sorry, pen here. So rupees 120 minus rupees 50. Subtract. How much you will get? Rupees 70. So still he got a profit of rupees 70. Clear?